Okay, I'm going to show you how to reset your time. This is for 2021 Toyota Camry, and it's daylight savings time, and so this did not reset to the proper time. So what you do is you go to the menu, you'll then go to Setup, then go up to Clock, and you'll notice that it has auto adjust by GPS. But we want to, and they've got the daylight savings time is off, so we want to turn that on. Okay, now you'll notice that it went to 10:53, which is the correct time. And that's really all you need to do. You've got some other options here that you can do, 24-hour time format. You got their time zone. Make sure you have it in the correct time zone. Best of luck. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.